Drug overdose is a public health crisis. In 2022, about 296 people died every single day from an overdose in the United States, and the vast majority involved an opioid. Opioids are a class of drugs that include pain medications prescribed by doctors and drugs like fentanyl or heroin that are not prescribed by a doctor. Opioids affect the part of your brain that regulates your breathing. When taken in large amounts, opioids can slow your breathing and cause you to lose consciousness. This is why an opioid overdose can be fatal. If you think someone may be experiencing an opioid overdose, first call 911. If available, you can give a safe medication called naloxone to the person who's overdosing. This can quickly stop an overdose and restore breathing while you wait for help. There are two forms of naloxone, a nasal spray and an injectable medication. If the person isn't breathing, give rescue breaths. If they don't have a pulse and you know CPR, start CPR. If the person is breathing and has a pulse, lay the person on their side to prevent choking. Try to keep them awake and stay with them until help arrives. Be gentle with them and gentle with yourself. Anyone who takes opioids is at risk for overdose. However, a person may be most at risk if they take a higher dosage or return to a high dose after losing tolerance. If they use benzodiazepines, certain sleep medications, or alcohol while taking opioids, or if they have a history of overdose or an opioid use disorder. Drugs that are not prescribed by a doctor, like cocaine or pills purchased from non-medical sources, can be contaminated with opioids like fentanyl. So any person using these substances could also be at risk for an opioid overdose. There are ways to reduce the risk of overdose or prevent overdose. For people with opioid use disorder, medication treatments like buprenorphine substantially reduce the risk of overdose. If you or someone else in your life takes opioids or uses drugs that could be contaminated with opioids, carry naloxone with you. Knowing how to be prepared for an overdose emergency can save a life and put your mind at ease. For more videos about substance use disorder, click here. And don't forget to subscribe below.